So in this question, the acceleration of the free fall is g. Now the girl, she measured the time taken, which is simple by t, and then the ball falling downward from rest. This one is a keyword here, which is u equals 0. And the distance, which is s. So we have the distance. She repeated the experiment several times for range of values of displacement, which is s. Then the examiner is asking, in the table here we have y-axis and x-axis, and how can I use these y and x-axes to find the gradient which is equivalent to g. So I have to find the dy over dx equals to g. Okay, so there is only one equation, which is displacement s equal ut plus half at squared. This is one of the Sauvat equation. Hopefully you memorize this equation, which is s equal ut plus half at squared. If you forget, I think you will find in the formula sheet. Then displacement equals u is the initial speed, which is equal 0, and plus half a, which is gravity, which is g times the t square. Now s equals half g t square. I need to get only g, so times 2 for the left side and times 2 for the right side. So 2s equals cancel out. Now I have to use different color. So here the 2 cancel with a half. So the formula is 2s equal gt square. Now I need to find y over x, which is 2s now divided by t square equals g. So on the y-axis, which is equal to delta y over delta x, the rise over run. So the value here, which is the 2s must be on the y-axis and the t squared on the x-axis. So the correct answer here, which is B.